Hi there folks, well welcome back to my channel, and for this video I've come into the outskirts of the city of Edinburgh, and where I've stopped off at is called the Cammo Local Nature Reserve. It's also known as the Cammo Estate because it was once the land that surrounded Cammo House. I'm not too sure how much of Cammo House is still standing, but I'm sure we can find out as we go along and explore the nature reserve. Not one that I've been to before, not one I've not know much about, but there do seem to be information boards up because there is one just outside the car park. So I'm going to grab my things in a minute and head on in. Again, if you're enjoying my channel, if you enjoy my videos, if you can click on the subscribe button, click on that notification bell, leave some likes, leave some comments, it's always really appreciated. And if you'd like to support the channel further, I will post a link to the channel's coffee.com page, the channel's TikTok account and the PayPal account in the description bar below and in a pinned comment in the comments section. So with that out the road, I'm gonna get my things and head on outside. So that's where I am just now. Yeah, so the house that this was once the estate for is in ruins, and so is stables going by this. So plenty to explore and have a little wander around. Oh, and it looks like the canal goes through here as well. Not too sure if that's the Union or the... I think it probably is the Union, by the Union Canal. Yeah, so that way is up to the stables. And over that way takes you up to Cammo House. Yes, it's only gone past 3 o'clock. So I think I've got about an hour of sunlight left, or an hour of daylight left. So probably make this a wee quick visit. And yeah, just enjoy the time that I do have here. Yeah, I think that's noise from the airport. Because I think the Edinburgh airport's not far away from here. And yeah, but definitely a wee haven of nature despite the noise from the airport. Yeah, they're trying to establish a wee wetlands environment here. Should be quite a nice little addition. Yeah, I always find woods like these quite atmospheric, especially in the winter. Well, the trees are bare. Yeah, that's me just come up to the ruins of the old house. And even better view of the ruins here. And I'll try to see if I can go up inside and have a wee look in the inside of the ruins. Probably isn't much in there. And you can even come around the back. There's this big massive hole in the back of the building. I wonder if that's only a tiny fraction of the actual floor plan. Obviously being more floors above. Well, I'm going to head round this way, and this path should take me back round towards the stables, where it should take me back round to the car park. Yeah, this is what they were referring to as the canal on the map just at the car park. It's nothing to do with the Union Canal, it's just a water feature from when this was the gardens for the big house. So I think somebody was saying that it was used for curling at one point. So it's just a garden feature. Hey, even though there are quite a few other people about, quite a few people walking their dogs, and just like me going out for a walk anyway, it's still really peaceful here. Oh, this would be the stable buildings then. It's not actually that far a walk from the ruins of the main house. And I'm wondering what that tower is. Quite a stunning building, even though it is in ruin. And there are warning signs saying to stay out of it because it is dangerous. Well, that's definitely something you get with ruins. The information board over here. Yeah, you can't really see what's written on it. So have a wee nosy inside the building itself. You can see how large and grand the building actually was, even though it was a stable. Yeah, I'm guessing the tower's probably some sort of folly. It's quite popular in estates like this to have follies and little bits of interest. But looking at that hill behind it, that looks like it probably has something archaeological on it. Some sort of settlement at the top. There's just something about that hill. It's just setting my archaeological spidey sense off. And you've got the Petland Hills behind it. Well, that's me back at the car after my little adventure around Cammo Estate. And yeah, I think I've got about 15 minutes before the sun really goes down. So I made it just in time before it really starts to get dark. But really enjoyed my walk. And it does seem to be one of those places that is often overlooked and not really known about unless you live locally. But there does seem to be quite a bit of history and archaeology here as well. So definitely somewhere of interest. Especially if you're into history and your archaeology and just want to go out for a wee walk and a wee explore. But I definitely enjoyed coming here to Cammo. Okay, wasn't not expecting to come here today. But then again, sometimes the best things that happen are the ones that weren't really planned. But it was a good wee walk. Just nice to get some fresh air and spend some time outside. So hopefully you will have enjoyed this video as well. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.